I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by selecting the exact cells where you want to remove grid lines. You can click and drag or hold Control to add separate ranges. This targets only those areas. Once selected, make sure the sheet is unprotected so changes will stick. You do this now because Excel's display settings and cell borders act differently. Removing grid lines for a selection requires defined cells rather than entire sheet toggles. After selection, move to the Borders menu to take the next actionable step. Once you've selected the cells, go to the Home tab and open the Borders dropdown, then choose More Borders. In the dialog pick line color white or match your sheet background, select a solid line style, and apply it to both inside and outside borders. This overlays a white border exactly where grid lines appear, effectively hiding them without changing sheet settings. Make sure to apply to all selected cells so the network of lines is fully masked. Next, we tidy up any residual borders. To finish, remove accidental explicit borders by choosing No Border for the selection, then reapply the white borders if needed so the visual mask is consistent. If grid lines reappear, go to Page Layout and uncheck Grid Lines under Sheet Options. This toggles display for the whole sheet. Use it only if you want no grid lines anywhere. For printing, confirm the print setting for grid lines is disabled in Page Layout, and preview the print to ensure the masked areas stay clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.